Welcome students. In previous two classes we have learned up to page number 12 of chapter number 2, The Land of the Little People. In today's class we will continue with page number 12 from the last paragraph, The King, the Queen. I am going to read the paragraph and explain simultaneously. So let us start. The king, the queen, and thousands of little men, women, and children came to see the Man Mountain. Most of these people were friendly to Gulliver, but some of them were hostile and started shooting arrows at him. Gulliver stretched out his hand and caught 6 of the men. He put 5 of them into his pocket and pretended to eat the 6th one. The men started crying and Gulliver let them go. The word pretended means here acted, to act. The explanation of this paragraph. When Gulliver was brought to the capital of the island, thousands of little men, women, and children, along with the king and the queen, came to see him. Though most of them were friendly to Gulliver, but some of them were unfriendly and started shooting arrows at him. What did Gulliver do? Gulliver stretched out his hand and caught 6 of the men. He put 5 of them into his pocket and pretended to eat the 6th one. When the men started crying, Gulliver let all of them go. I am going to read the last paragraph of page number 13. Gulliver lived happily on this island for many months. The king appointed 300 cooks to prepare his food and 300 tailors to make a new suit for him. 6 of the wisest men taught him the language of the island. From them, he learned that the little country was called Lilliput. Explanation of the paragraph. Once the king realized that Gulliver was harmless, he decided to keep him. Gulliver also lived happily on the island for many months. The king appointed 300 men to cook his food and also 300 tailors to stitch his clothes. Moreover, the king ordered 6 of the wisest men to teach him their language. From them, Gulliver came to know that the island was called Lilliput. Now that we have completed explaining chapter number 2, The Land of the Little People, so in today's class, I am going to ask you few questions. You have to read the chapter thoroughly to know these answers. So let me ask you some questions. I am not going to tell you the answers of the questions. I am just going to ask you the questions. You have to read the chapter thoroughly and find out the answers. So let us start. My first question is, who wrote Gulliver's Travel? If you read the chapter thoroughly, you are going to get this answer. Question number 2. What was the name of the country of the little men? Think you'll be able to answer it. Question number 3. By what name did the little men refer to Gulliver? This answer also will get it from inside the chapter. Question number 4. How many horses were required to pull the carriage along the road? Question number 5. How many men were appointed to cook Gulliver's food? To give the answers of the above questions, You have to read the chapter thoroughly to find out the answers. Thank you, students. This class was taken by Ruma Mitra Goswami of St. Montfort Senior Secondary School for the students of class 5. Thank you.